Actually mind-boggling to me how many of these churches say no. So then I was like, you know what? Let me acknowledge my ignorance. What does a small baby formula cost? So like I looked it up and it's roughly between $5 to $20. And to think that these churches who get incredible amounts of tax exemptions and all types of shit would say no to such thing is like kind of like unfathomable to me.
Perempuan ini benar-benar membuat perasaan netizen campur aduk. Bagaimana tidak, eksperimen sosial yang dilakukan oleh perempuan bernama Nikali ini benar-benar membuka sisi lain dari gereja-gereja di Amerika Serikat. Netizen bahkan menjulukinya sebagai audit gereja.
Okay, so for those of you that actually go to church and donate your hard-earned money, do you actually know what your money goes to when you donate to your church? Because I know some of you, can't really afford much and you give what you can, and that takes money out of your own mouths, maybe. You might give, your last few dollars to church. And I'm curious if that church actually helps your community or not, or if they just pocket your money. So I'm actually going to be testing and seeing if local churches in my area first are willing to help somebody that's in need when they call up and ask for help, or kind of like what the response is in general that they give me. I honestly don't know if they're going to be willing to help somebody in need, or if they're going to be like, no, sorry, we can't help you. Okay, I live in a Bible Belt. I live in Somerset, Kentucky. It's a very, very small town. We probably have 100 churches here. I never see churches come out to help anybody. Okay, never. And I'm about to see that if I call them up personally, if they're willing to help somebody that calls and is in need. Stay tuned.
Dalam eksperimen tersebut, Nikali berpura-pura memiliki bayi berusia 2 bulan yang kelaparan semalaman karena kehabisan susu formula. Ia kemudian menghubungi beberapa gereja untuk melihat bantuan seperti apa yang bisa mereka berikan. Hasilnya benar-benar di luar dugaan.
So I'm calling your church to test to see if they would help feed a starving baby. And right now I'm about to call Germantown Baptist Church located in Memphis, Tennessee. And we are going to see if they would be willing to feed a starving baby.
Germantown Baptist Church.
Hiya, I was wanting to see if you all could help with a small can of baby formula.
Beberapa gereja yang ia hubungi menolak memberikan bantuan dan memintanya menghubungi badan amal lain. Ada pula gereja yang mengatakan bahwa bantuan mereka hanya diperuntukkan bagi anggota jemaatnya saja.
Hello.
Hi, yes. I was just wanting to see if y'all were able to help with baby formula at all.
We unfortunately are not. We have a benevolence program, but it is for our members.
It's just for the members, because I have a 2-month-old and she hasn't ate since last night, so she's gone all night and all day without any formula. I don't need money or anything. I just need a small little can, and I've been calling everywhere and they're just telling me call churches, and I just don't know what else to do.
Yeah, we don't have any formula here to give out. We don't have any kind of food bank or anything like that.
Would it be something you all could get and I could pick it up?
What's that?
Would it be something you all would be able to get and I can pick it up?
Well, like I said, if it's anything like that, our benevolence is for our members.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Tentu saja, respon seperti itu menimbulkan tanda tanya besar di benak para netizen yang menyaksikannya.
So far, I've already called 2 churches. Neither one of them were willing to help feed a baby. And honestly, I'm not even a church. And if somebody called me needing to feed a baby, I wouldn't just hang up the phone. I would find them a resource and get them formula for their baby.
Bantuan kami hanya untuk anggota kami? Wah, seru seorang netizen. Aku tidak pernah ingat Yesus pernah berkata, kamu harus jadi anggota gerejanya agar bisa dibantu, tulis netizen lainnya.
Y'all really gotta remember, as sad as it is to say, most of these churches, they're a business first before they're a church. They don't necessarily care about their community. They want to take the money that they can get, and then they don't pay taxes on that money on top of it.
Sejak saat itu, banyak netizen menyebut nama gereja mereka masing-masing dan meminta Nikali untuk mengaudit gereja tersebut.
First Choice? Have you called there?
Yes, I have.
Okay. Or the health department?
Yeah, I've called everywhere that I can think of, and everybody's telling me to call churches and see if any churches can help.
Gotcha. Yeah, I'm so sorry. We don't have any on hand.
Y'all don't have like any programs that would just like be able to like get it and like me come pick it up or have somebody come pick it up?
I'm so sorry, we do not.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Bye.
No, they wouldn't help. Like, it's not even that they don't have it, it's the fact that they won't even like try to get it, or like they give you one resource and then think that that's doing something. That's the frustrating part, because again, I'm not even a church or go to a church, but if somebody called me, I'd be like, give me your information, I'm going to figure it out and do my best. Like, I would try. She didn't even ask me my name, didn't say she would talk around and see what she could get, nothing. It's disappointing.
Karena sering mendapat penolakan dari pihak gereja, beberapa netizen bahkan mengusulkannya untuk mencoba meminta bantuan ke masjid. Menanggapi hal itu, Nikali pun menghubungi sebuah Islamic Center.
So, hold on. Let's go for it. They called me back. The Islamic Center of Charlotte just called back.
Pengurus Islamic Center tersebut tidak menanyakan latar belakang agamanya atau apakah ia merupakan jamaah masjid itu atau bukan. Ia hanya mengajukan satu pertanyaan. Apa merek susu formula yang Anda butuhkan?
Islamic Center of Charlotte,
Hi, yes. I was trying to call. I have a 2-month-old baby, and I ran out of formula last night, and I was wanting to see if there's any way you all could help with a can of baby formula.
We can, ma'am. Where do you live? Do you live in Charlotte?
Yes, I'm like 10 minutes from you all.
Okay. And what kind of formula are you using?
It's the Good Start.
Good Start. Yeah, that's fine, ma'am. If you come over here, we'll help you.
Okay. Hold on just 1 second, okay?
Respons itu sontak membuat banyak netizen terharu. Mereka yang beragama Islam merasa bangga dengan ajaran agamanya.
She called one mosque. You know what the guy told her? What kind of baby formula does your baby need? You see? Y'all keep hating on the muzzies. Let me tell you, they're gonna win y'all over with love, you know? Subhanallah. Ya Allah.
Sementara netizen non-muslim menaruh rasa hormat atas sikap mulia tersebut. Setelah melihat ini, sepertinya saya akan masuk Islam, komentar seorang netizen. Harusnya kita berdonasi ke masjid, timpal yang lainnya. Hingga kini, hasil audit Nikali benar-benar mengejutkan. Dari 30 gereja yang ia hubungi, hanya 9 yang bersedia memberikan bantuan.
Out and I don't have any money, and like she's just been so cranky and whiny, and I just want to get her fed.
Yeah. Okay. How much does the formula usually cost?
Just like $20 is like the small one.
Okay. Do you know where we're located?
No, I don't. Okay, can I pause you really quick?
I'm sorry?
Okay, I actually do not need help. I am actually calling local churches to see if they would actually help feed a starving baby. And so far today, you are the only one that has offered to help or try to help. So I just wanted to let you know that I appreciate what you do in your community, and I hope you have an amazing, blessed day.
Absolutely. God bless.
God bless you too. Bye.
Yang lebih menarik, gereja-gereja yang bersedia membantu bukanlah gereja besar dengan jemaat banyak dan aset besar, melainkan gereja-gereja kecil yang menaungi kaum minoritas.
The ones I've noticed that say yes are the Islamic Center and people with minority-based populations. It seemed like there was a mostly black church. They said yes. One lady was Hispanic, you could tell. She said yes. She was going to pay for it herself. But the rest of them told her to check food banks or call other churches. Isn't this what churches are for? I was raised religious. This is what they're for. But think about it. The minority populations and the Islamic Center. They said yes.
Sebagai bentuk kekecewaan, banyak netizen kemudian membuat daftar gereja-gereja yang menolak memberikan bantuan, lalu ramai-ramai memberi mereka rating bintang 1 di Google Maps. Sementara itu, rating Islamic Center yang bersedia membantu justru melonjak dari bintang 1 menjadi bintang 5.
You're investing your hard-earned money to give to your church. That church should be giving back to you and your family when you're in need, and it should be giving back to your community with that money.